Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Gloria. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing a new perfume by Amarf Club de NUIT Oud. It's like the newest on the Club de NUIT line. So if you are not familiar with the Amarf brand, Amarf is a perfume house that was formerly located in the UAE, but right now they have relocated to France. So to me, I would say they are rebranding. Okay, they don't want to be considered as a clone house anymore. They are trying to rebrand to be like a niche house. This Club Unit line, they have like a lot of perfumes ranging from Club Unit Untold to Club Unit Iconic, Club Unit Urban Man Elixir, Milestone, Siage. Like the list goes on and on. I thought I was done with the Club Unit line. Okay, until I saw that they just released a new perfume on this line. And I cannot rest until I see what this perfume smells like because I like the Amarf brand. They make good perfumes. So I'm like, you know what? I have to get this to see what it smells like. Because if I don't, I will not be able to sleep. This is going to be like a first impression of this perfume. Keep watching. This is Club Unit Oud and it comes in this velvety pouch. It kind of reminds me of the Club Unit Intense Man limited edition. That one as well comes in a pouch like this. The color of the pouch is like butter color, right? And then you have this strap, this brown strap. If you can see, this is how the pouch comes. Okay, velvety. It's easy to pick up on debts. Okay, but I like the color of the pouch and the strap, the brown strap here. Okay, I like it. Very simple, not too much paparazzi going on, not too much, but I like the color. Kind of seems a little different from what the normal Club Unit packages usually come in. Okay, this is a little bit different, but similar to the Club Unit Intense Man limited edition, and it opens like that. I'll just open it up, and yeah, this is what the pack looks like. Brown, it looks like a marble floor. It looks like a marble floor. Okay, you have the name Amarf here. It's written Perfume, a collector's pride. So this is like a perfumed concentration perfume. And then you have the name of the perfume, Club Unit Oud. And then you have all other information here at the back. Okay, it opens up like this. Oops, there's a lot of things here. It has this card, a typical Amarf card, right? And then it has this as well, comes with the package. Um, I guess this one too is like a wipe to wipe the perfume. This is also included in the pack, in the packaging. And wow, like there is another box. There is another box. I actually thought this was the main box. Oh my god. So this is the first box. I thought this was how the perfume will come. Only for me to open it up and then I see another box. Okay, so this is the actual box that is housing the perfume. This is a very gorgeous looking packaging. I was liking the color and everything of this, but I think this is more elegant, more um, luxurious, I would say. And then at the back, it also has this velvety feeling. Okay, this black velvety thing. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous looking box. It looks luxurious, it looks expensive. Okay, so and it opens like this. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see. This is how it looks. Beautiful perfume. This is beautiful. Wow. The bottle looks like a typical Amarf bottle. Most of the Club Unit perfume, they have this metal. The bottle reminds me of the Club Unit Woman bottle and the Club Unit Untold. It has the dazzling effect that the Club Unit Untold has. But for the transparency of the bottle, it looks like the Club Unit Woman. Yeah, the difference with this one is the cap. The cap looks like a stone. The cap looks like a stone. I don't know if you can see the detailing around it. Looks like a marble stone. The packaging, I will give you a 10 over 10. What does this perfume smell like? Let's find out. The atomizer sprays good, not fantastic, but it's decent. Okay, the atomizer is it's decent. This perfume is called Club de Nuit Oud. I can't get any oud in this. Hold on. This smells like a fruity, fresh perfume. It smells fresh, sweet, a little bit clean as well. The smell of this perfume is familiar. I do not smell any oud in this. I do not smell any oud in this. Let me spray on my skin and see. It smells sweet. I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I'm trying to get the perfume that this smells like. This perfume smells like amber oud. It smells like amber oud by Haramain, and it also smells like the Abiyedh I Am White by Lattafa. I have these two perfumes in my collection, and I'm coming. Let me show you. This perfume smells like this perfume. What I can say about this perfume is, let's give it to Amarf. Even though these perfumes smell similar to these two perfumes I just showed you, this one is more smooth. It's more smooth. It's more well blended. There is nothing harsh. There is nothing harsh about this one. This is unisex according to Fragrantica, right? The top notes of these perfumes are passion fruit, peach, pear, pineapple, plum, and bergamot. While at the mid it has jasmine, cashmere, freesia, violet leaves, and at the base it has musk, Cambodian oud, crystal, amber, and vanilla. That's all the notes of this perfume. Okay, so it's said to have Cambodian oud. Maybe the Cambodian oud is not the kind of oud that is all up in your face when you smell it in perfumes. Maybe that is the kind of oud they use in this perfume. That is why I cannot smell any oud. At least the oud I am used to, the oud I know about. Okay, you know when you smell oud perfumes, that strong oud you get in those perfumes, yeah, this does not smell like that. Take for instance, the oud for glory, nothing like this. Satin oud by Paris Corner, nothing like it. So I have a couple of oud perfumes in my collection that when I smell it, I know that okay, this is straight out oud. Okay, this is said to be an oud perfume, but it does not smell like the oud I know of. even though it is said to have Cambodian oud in the note breakdown. Okay, my first impression of this perfume is that it smells like Amber Oud by Haramain and Anna Abiyedh I Am White. The Amber Oud and the Anna Abiyedh I Am White, they are said to be dupes of the Zedjov's Ever Pura. This has similarity with these perfumes I just mentioned, but this one is like going towards a different direction. You can smell the sweetness from pineapple, there is plum, there is pear, there is peach, there is passion fruit, there is bergamot. The bergamot just gives it some freshness, okay, but the bergamot is not heavy. You get the fruitiness at the top, while the bergamot just gives you like a supporting hand, okay, to make it a little bit fresh, but it's sweet. I smell a huge similarity between this perfume and the Amber Oud perfume. That means I'll have to come back and do like a proper comparison between this Club de Oud and the Amber Oud by Al Haramain. It doesn't smell like a clean perfume. It smells like a sweet perfume, but with a little hint of freshness. It's like giving me the vibe of a feminine perfume, even though it is said to be a unisex perfume, right? This is a sweet, fruity, fresh perfume. So if you like fruity, sweet perfume, you will like this one. But what I would like to say is this is a little bit expensive, more than the usual club unit perfumes. Okay, maybe because it's newly released, that's why the price is a little bit expensive. Maybe as time goes on, it's going to come down a little bit. But my first impression of this perfume, I like it. I am not wowed by it because I was expecting something different. Okay, I was expecting like a more complex perfume because of the name of the perfume, Club Union Oud. So I was expecting something more complex, something more rich, something more something more stronger than this. The DNA of this perfume is the one I like. It's not a bad perfume, but I'm a little bit disappointed because what I was expecting it to be is not what it turned out to be. You know how it is with collecting perfumes. If you're a perfume lover, there is this huge temptation to want to buy every perfume that is released. If you are not someone that likes the Amarf line, you don't like Amarf perfumes, you don't like Club Unit perfumes, you might want to sit this one out. If you want to give yourself a Christmas gift, you can as well buy this. Okay, to my nose, this is a fruity, sweet perfume. It's also musky at the base, some vanilla notes as well. This perfume is still new. It's new, it's not all over the place yet, but if you're going to be trying out this perfume, let me know in the comment section. If you're not going to be trying it out, let me know still. Okay, till I see you in my next video, have a beautiful, amazing celebration this season. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.